Welcome to Suzhou LIMU Automotive Technology. This is our production line, flexible for different platforms, also has annual capacity up to 10,000 per year. The skateboard chassis has 4 in-wheel motors, steering front and rear. This is our testing area. We have 2 dynos, one for durability test and another for chassis performance test. This is our autonomous charging robot. It has 100 kilowatt-hour battery with liquid cooling for fast charging. This charging robot can quickly charge the electrical vehicles and also can be used for energy storage.